Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of duct tape, but not just any ordinary duct tape uses. We're talking about the ultimate MacGyver level hacks that'll make you say, why didn't I think of that? We're talking 10 amazing uses for this miracle adhesive that you probably have lying around your house right now. You know how much I love a good life hack, and trust me, these are seriously next level. From emergency fixes to everyday ingenuity, these duct tape hacks will have you covered. Literally, you won't believe some of these creative uses. All right, let's kick things off with a plumbing emergency. Picture this. You've got a leaky pipe spitting water everywhere. It's panic time, right? Well, before you call a plumber and empty your wallet, grab your trusty roll of duct tape. This stuff is like a water-stopping superhero in disguise. Just clean the area around the leak, make sure it's dry, then wrap that duct tape tightly around the pipe, stretching it as you go. Overlap each layer by about ½ an inch to create a super strong seal. Now, I'm not saying duct tape is a permanent fix, but it'll buy you some precious time until you can get a plumber in there. Think of it as your temporary plumbing sidekick. And hey, while you're waiting for the plumber, maybe you can use that extra time to test out some of the other awesome duct tape hacks in this video. Let's say you're out on a hike, miles from civilization, and you take a tumble, getting a nasty scrape. Now, duct tape might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of first aid, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. Literally. Duct tape can actually be used to create a makeshift bandage in a pinch. First things first, make sure the wound is clean. You don't want to trap any dirt or debris in there. Then, if you have any gauze or a clean cloth, use that as a first layer directly on the wound. Next, cut a strip of duct tape a little longer than the gauze and carefully place it over the wound, making sure it adheres firmly to the skin on either side. The duct tape will help to keep the gauze in place and create a barrier against dirt and bacteria. Just remember, this is for emergencies only, and you should always seek proper medical attention as soon as possible. There's nothing quite like a relaxing camping trip being at one with nature. But what happens when disaster strikes and your tent decides to have its own meltdown? Ripped seam, puncture wound from a rogue branch? Don't worry, duct tape to the rescue. Duct tape is like the ultimate camping companion. It can patch up a torn tent faster than you can, say, s'mores. Just clean the area around the tear, slap on a piece of duct tape, making sure to smooth out any air bubbles, and boom! You've got yourself a waterproof, weather-resistant patch that'll hold up until you can get your hands on a proper repair kit. Seriously, it's like magic. You'll be back to enjoying the great outdoors in no time. Chapter 4. The Duct Tape Wallet, Unbreakable Style. Okay, this one might sound a little crazy, but hear me out. You can actually make a wallet entirely out of duct tape. And not just any wallet, a super durable, water-resistant, one-of-a-kind wallet. It's the perfect project to unleash your creativity and show off your love for all things duct tape. You can get as creative as you want with this one. Use different colors of duct tape to create patterns, designs, or even your own custom logo. You can make it as simple or complex as you like. There are tons of tutorials online, so find one that suits your style and get crafting. The best part, this wallet is practically indestructible. It can handle anything you throw at it, from rain and snow to the wear and tear of everyday use. Chapter 5. Taming the cable monster with duct tape. We've all been there. That tangled mess of cables behind your TV stand or under your desk. It's like a monster lurking in the shadows. But fear not, because duct tape is here to banish those cable nightmares for good. Duct tape is the ultimate cable management tool. You can use it to bundle cables together, label them for easy identification, or even create custom cable organizers on the back of your desk or entertainment center. Just cut strips of duct tape and wrap them around your cables, keeping everything neat, organized, and tangle-free. You can even write on the duct tape to label your cables so you know exactly what goes where. Chapter 6. Book repair for the win. There's nothing quite like the smell of an old book, the way the pages feel in your hands. But over time, those beloved books can start to show their age, especially the covers. But before you banish those tattered treasures to the back of the bookshelf, grab your trusty roll of duct tape. Duct tape can breathe new life into your old torn book covers. Just cut strips of duct tape to size and carefully apply them over the tears or worn edges, smoothing out any air bubbles as you go. You can even use clear duct tape if you want to preserve the original look of the cover. It's like giving your books a second chance to shine. Chapter 7. Need to prop up your phone for a video call or to watch your favorite show? Don't waste your money on fancy phone stands. With a little duct tape ingenuity, you can create your own custom phone holder in seconds. Just fold a strip of duct tape over itself to create a sturdy base, then attach 2 more strips to the sides, angling them slightly outward to create a stand. You can adjust the angle of the stand by adjusting the length of the side strips. And there you have it. A simple, effective, and totally customizable phone holder made entirely out of duct tape. Chapter 8. Shoe emergency. Duct tape to the rescue. Imagine this. You're walking down the street when suddenly disaster strikes. The sole of your shoe decides to stage a dramatic exit, leaving you stranded with a flapping piece of rubber and a serious case of shoe eyeside. But don't panic, duct tape is here to save the day. Okay, so maybe it's not the most fashionable fix, but in a pinch, duct tape can temporarily repair a broken shoe until you can get to a cobbler or buy a new pair. Just clean the area around the break, then apply strips of duct tape, overlapping each layer to create a strong bond. You'll be back on your feet and strutting your stuff in no time. Chapter 9. The duct tape keychain. Never lose your keys again. Looking for a unique and personalized keychain? Look no further than your trusty roll of duct tape. You can create a one-of-a-kind keychain that's as individual as you are. Fold strips of duct tape over a key ring, layering different colors and patterns to create a cool, textured design. You can even add embellishments like beads or charms for an extra touch of personality. And the best part, this keychain is practically indestructible, so you'll never have to worry about losing your keys again. Chapter 10. Seal out drafts with duct tape. Winter is coming, and with it comes those dreaded cold drafts sneaking in through cracks and gaps in your windows. But before you start piling on the blankets, grab your trusty roll of duct tape. Duct tape can actually help to seal out those drafts and keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. Just inspect your windows for any gaps or cracks, then apply strips of duct tape over the problem areas, making sure to seal the edges tightly. It's a simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective way to winterize your home and keep those heating bills in check. Duct tape, the ultimate life hack tool. Thanks for watching. If you found these duct tape hacks useful, give this video a thumbs up. And hey, if you have any other awesome duct tape hacks up your sleeve, share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content, from DIY projects and life hacks to crazy experiments and everything in between. See you in the next video.